Yo, it's your boy the Android Doctor back again with another video. So I'm here with the Honor X7, and this time I'll be showing you how to wake the display each time you receive a notification. Okay, so by default the option is switched off. Okay, so I'm just going to show you what I'm talking about. So let me just send myself a text message. Okay, so the text has come through. As you can see, the screen is still black. There was a notification sound, but I cannot see the text or anything. So if the phone was on silent and it was on the table just like this, I wouldn't even know that I've received a text message or a notification until I wake it up manually and then look on the lock screen there. Okay, so what you actually need to do is you need to turn the option on. So pull down the notifications, go into settings and scroll down to where it says notifications, and then select more notification settings. And here you will see wake screen. Turn on the screen when notifications are received. So just go ahead and turn that little switch on. And now when I go back to the lock screen and I send myself a text, okay, it's taking a while to actually come through. Okay, so as you can see now, the display wakes up and I can see the notification there saying, "Hi, doctor." So yeah, guys, this was just my video showing you how to wake up the display each time you receive a notification. If this video helped you out, you already know what to do. Give it a thumbs up, share the video. It's your boy, the Android Doctor, and I will see you in the next video, guys. I'm out. Deuces.